SNTG carriers. Currently valued at $7.03 million, its share price stands at $1.07. Today's modest uptick is driven by a solid 12 times average volume, indicating sustained market interest, flagged by the early scanner. However, the company's performance over the past year has shown a steep decline of 75.4%, with a one-month drop of 18.9% and an RSI of 29, reflecting an oversold condition. Trading below the planned entry of $1.518, the stock could realistically see a 112.8% rise to profit target 1 at $2.277 and a 183.7% rise to profit target 2 at $3.36. The expected price ranges point to volatility potential: $0.54 to $1.61 over the next month, and $0 to $2.92 in the coming year. It remains crucial to monitor stock action near the entry point for a possible reversal. Primek Holdings Ltd provides cleaning and facility services with a market cap of $29.95 million at a current share price of $0.78. Today's price action, boosted by 24 times the average volume, reflects early market interest, highlighted by the early scanner. The stock has seen a 22.8% decline year-over-year and 8.3% gain in the last month, with an RSI of 51 indicating a neutral standing. Currently trading slightly below the planned entry of 0.79, it holds a significant 51.9% upside to profit target 1 at $1.185 and 102.6% to profit target 2 at $1.58. The expected price ranges suggest moderate volatility, estimated between $0.59 and $0.97 in the next month, and $14 to $1.42 for the year ahead. Continued hold above entry levels may build favorable trading conditions. Oxbridge Re Holdings Limited, founded in 2013, operates in the financial services sector, focusing on specialty property and casualty reinsurance. The market cap stands at $6.89 million. Today, shares dropped 7.61%, driven by over 31 times average volume, indicating heavy interest as the scanner projects a notable upside potential of 114%. Over the past month, performance has been down 17.1%, with a current RSI of 43, indicating a neutral status. Currently trading at 85 cents, the planned entry is 1.22, with profit target 1 at 1.83 and profit target 2 at $2.44. The next key level to watch is the entry point. For the next month, a range of 61 cents to $1.09 is expected based on volatility, while the one-year outlook suggests a potential range between $3 and $1.67. Constructive sentiment may build if it holds above the entry. Shengfeng Development Limited, a player in the industrial sector, delivers logistics services across China. The market cap is at $81.58 million. And shares saw a 5.21% rise today, with volume at 29 times the average, signaling robust investor interest. Performance over the last month is up 17.5%, with an RSI at 53, indicating a neutral status. Currently priced at 99 cents, this sits just below the planned entry of 99.9999 cents. Profit target 1 is set at $1.4998, while profit target 2 rests at $1.9998, with potential for significant gain. The expected one-month price range is established at 75 to $1.23. Sky Quarry Inc., established as an environmental remediation company, operates in the energy sector with a market cap of $9.16 million. Today, the stock jumped 22.44%, notably driven by 10 times the average volume, suggesting strong interest as oil prices rise. Over the past month, performance has dipped 46%, and the current RSI of 25 indicates the asset might be oversold. Trading at $1.91, it's above the planned entry of $1.645, with a profit target 1 at $2.4675 and profit target 2 at $3.29. Watch for momentum to continue as the next level is clear. Short-term, one-month expectations lean towards a price range of $0.21 to $3.61, with a bullish long-term perspective if momentum holds. WBUY International Group Inc. operates in the technology sector, delivering recruitment and outsourcing services in China. With a market cap of $4.99 million, shares climbed 36.41% today due to 6 times the average volume, indicating heightened interest. Over the past month, it gained 34.3%, while the RSI stands at 59, suggesting a neutral range. Currently priced at $1.21, this is below the planned entry of $1.3098, with profit target 1 at $1.9647 and profit target 2 at $2.6196 in sight. The next level to observe remains the entry point for potential support. Expected 1-month volatility suggests a range of 19 cents to $2.23, and a positive long-term outlook hinges on sustained momentum above entry. Big Tree Cloud Holdings Ltd. specializes in personal care products, holding a market cap of $34.21 million. Notably, today the stock surged an astounding 291.3%, with an astonishing volume spike of 2,762 times the average, indicating serious market interest. Despite recent performance being negative 1.4% over 6 months, the RSI is at 94, marking it as overbought. Trading now at $7.2, this remains well beneath the planned entry of $9.87, with profit target 1 at $14.805 and target 2 at $19.74. Future technical levels will show how it holds up. Expected price range of $0 to $15.91 in the next month indicates high volatility. Thus, it'll be essential to watch for consolidation before pursuing long-term positions. Taoping Inc., operating in the technology sector, focuses on cloud app technologies within various industries in China. With a market cap of $14.88 million, today it saw an 11.51% upturn as a result of 245 times average volume, showcasing active trading interest. Performance over the last month is up 15.7%, and the current RSI of 66 signals a generally strong but nearing overbought condition. Currently priced at $1.55, this is above the planned entry of $1.4924, with profit targets set at $2.2386 and $2.9848. The upward momentum presents a critical scenario to navigate. The expected price range in the coming month is established at $1.15 to $1.95, indicating strong push potential as it aims for targets. K-Tech Solutions Company Limited, based in Hong Kong, develops various toy products with a market cap of $39.25 million. The stock increased by 14.81% today, boosted by 43 times the average volume, showing significant investor interest. In the last month, performance is down 34%, with an RSI of 46, indicating a neutral state. Presently trading at $1.86, the price is below the planned entry of $6.59, with profit targets at $9.85 and $13.18. Attention will be on how it interacts with the entry level moving forward. The expected 1-month price range is determined at $1.13 to $2.59, suggesting volatility ahead. A long-term view remains contingent on reclaiming the entry. Raytech Eco Solutions Inc. specializes in ecological equipment and materials, positioned within the basic materials sector, with a market cap of $10.42 million. Shares rose by 29.26% today, fueled by 5 times average volume, indicating notable trading interest. Over the last month, performance is up 17.8%, and a relative strength index of 64 suggests it's nearing an overbought state. Currently at $2.96, this is below the planned entry of $3.1, with profit targets set at $4.65 and $6.02. Key levels to watch will hinge on the entry as future direction takes shape. Anticipated fluctuations show a 1-month range of $1.39 to $4.53, paving the way for future breakouts if the support holds. Black Titan Corp., with a market cap of $11.26 million, operates in a yet unspecified sector. The stock jumped 16.11% today, attributed to 23 times average volume and positive momentum flagged by the early scanner. Despite a challenging year, with a 1-year performance down 66.1% and an RSI at 44.0, signaling a neutral state. Today's volume indicates potential. Currently priced at $1.04 against a planned entry of $1.03, it's close to profit target 1 at $1.545, just 47.8% away, and profit target 2 at $2.06, about 97.1%. Expect fluctuations between 70 cents and $1.39 within the month, possibly reaching $0 to $2.25 over the year. If it can hold this entry, it could build a constructive base. Zeta Network Group, founded in 2002, is a digital infrastructure and fintech company focusing on cryptocurrency mining and entertainment events. Today's move of 2.38% stems from heavy volume, at 6 times the average, suggesting strong momentum as flagged by the early scanner. Despite its dramatic one-year decline of 98.2% and an RSI of 29.0, indicating an oversold condition, the stock currently trades at $1.29, below its entry point of $1.5601. Profit target 1 is set at $2.3401, representing an upward potential of 81.4%, and profit target 2 is at $3.1202, an increase of 141.9%. Expect a price range of $0.57 to $2.01 in the next month, and $0.0 to $3.78 over the next year, marking a cautious approach until it can reclaim key levels. Bluemount Holdings Limited operates in financial consulting services and luxury timepieces with a market cap of $149.29 million. It rose 7.34% today due to heavy trading, 15 times average volume, with great interest from the early scanner. The stock's performance over the past year has seen a 62.5% increase, though the RSI is above 70 at 76.0, indicating overbought conditions. Trading currently at $5.85, it sits just below the entry of $5.87. Profit target 1 is at $8.805, a 50.5% gain, while profit target 2 is $11.74, or 100.7% higher. Expect a price range of $4.80 to $6.90 this month, and $2.16 to $9.54 yearly. A cautious stance may be warranted if it loses ground below the entry. DSS Inc. focuses on packaging, biotechnology, and lending, holding a market cap of $6.75 million. The stock surged 33.86% today after significant volume, 8 times average, was detected, signaling potential as highlighted by the early scanner. While it has struggled with a one-year performance down 35.5% and an RSI of 68.0, which is near overbought levels, it trades at 67 cents, below the entry of 77.88. Profit target 1 is at $1.167, with a 73.7% potential gain, and profit target 2 is $1.556, a leap of 131.5%. Expect fluctuations between $0.46 to $0.89 in the monthly frame, and $0.00 to $1.41 over the year. If it can reach the entry, it could create a base for growth. Vivacor Inc., a crude oil transportation firm, has a market cap of $2.75 million. It saw a price spike of 15.63%, fueled by 5 times average trading volume, highlighting increased interest tagged by the early scanner for today. The stock is down 96.4% over the past year, with the RSI at 22.0, indicating an oversold status. Currently priced at $0.64, it's under the planned entry at $0.90. Profit target 1 is at $1.35, reflecting an upside of 110.9%, and profit target 2 at $1.80 equates to a potential gain of 181.3%. Price expectations sit at $0.15 to $1.13 this month, and $0.0 to $2.32 over the next year. A protective stance may be warranted if it fails to reclaim the entry. Helport AI Limited, with a market cap of $34.21 million, specializes in AI solutions for contact centers. Today, the stock dropped by 4.62% despite heavy trading, marked at 10 times the average, calling attention from the early scanner. With its one-year performance at negative 76.7% and an RSI of 43.0, indicating a neutral position. It currently trades at 91 cents